Coming up today on World of Trucks, 8 men are vying for the prestigious honor of Best of Show from the Masters Ultimate Auto Expo. Coming up today on the World of Trucks, it's the Masters Ultimate Auto Expo from Chilhowie Park in Knoxville, Tennessee, presented by O'Reilly Auto Parts. Hello, everyone. I'm Claude Wood. The truck class here today, presented by TCI, you will see some absolutely gorgeous truck. A great example is this 1953 Chevy, and this is owned by Mark Kimberlin. And Mark, you've had this truck, as I understand it, a long time.
About 15 years. We got it about 15 years ago. I was 16 years old. We needed another car, put some insurance on. So we ended up with that. It was a 3-speed on the tree, and learned how to drive a clutch with it. First clutch I ever drove, and we started about 5 years ago, and this is the first show we ever been to, and just trying to get our feet wet and see how good we do, you know.
Why did you put such a huge power plant in that thing?
It's all original. It's all the original sheet metal, so it's a heavy car, because they know how to make metal back then. And so it's a lot heavier than these fiberglass jobs running around and stuff, so we're shooting around about 800 horsepower or so, and, well, probably not 800. We're close to it, though, but never had it dying odor test or nothing, but it was just something we wanted to do for the family, and my dad's wanting to get out and show a little bit, and we thought we'd give it a try.
All right, how long did it take to get it in the shape it's in now?
I'd say 3 years hard, and probably add another 2 to that, off and on. So last 3 years, though, wide open every day. It's not something anybody wants to do unless you're dedicated to finishing up. We was up to Thursday night, 1 o'clock in the morning, then I got up this morning early, been cleaning on it, and it's like building a house. You can't go to Home Depot and buy something for this. You got to make it, and if you buy it, you're going to have to get it in there and make it work.
Thank you, Mark. Okay, guys, listen up. Are you taking notes? Did you hear all of this? Some good things to go by. Hey, you want to see some more excellent, great-looking trucks? Take a look at this.
It's a smoking hot 1955 late model Chevy that you definitely don't want to tailgate, because this one's got an exhaust system like you've never seen before. Okay, what do we have under the hood?
It's a ZZ4 crate motor. It's got aluminum heads on it. Puts out about 385 horses.
Wow, a lot of fun to drive on the street, I imagine.
That's a lot of fun. This truck, we decided not to put a fuel injection on it because we wanted flamethrowers. So
flamethrowers, explain that to me.
Well, what happens with the flamethrowers is I hit a button under the dash, and it sends the fuel through my exhaust, which ignites a spark plug, 2 spark plugs in my exhaust pipes, and throws flames out the rear.
Where in the world did you get that idea?
A lot of people have them. A lot of street riders do it, and my son's seen it, and he said, "Dad, we got to do that to our truck." So,
isn't that kind of dangerous?
Yeah, they're actually against the law in the state of Georgia, but you know, you get around rod runs and stuff like this, they typically let you do it a little bit.
Well, let's hope Georgia's finest isn't watching this program. Interior, what do we got going on?
That is tan leather. I put instrument panel in it that's digital Dakota dash. And the stereo system's behind the seat. I flattened my dash so everything's hidden inside there. So.
And this gorgeous luminous paint?
It is a Sitkins paint. It's a tri-stage paint, and you get this color by you keep spraying it. So I had to stand there with the painter while he was hitting it, and every time he sprayed it, it turned color. So we got it to this, and I said, "That's fine, stop. That's all I want."
How about tires and wheels?
Tires, I went with Krager's. The old style Krager SS's, because they were pretty popular back in the day. So we went 17s front and back on this thing with BFGs.
Wow. So this is just an all-around hot truck, whether it be the hot paint on the outside or the flames coming out the back when he pulls away. Be careful.
World of Trucks is being brought to you by Stainless Steel Brakes. Performance brakes built right by Stainless Steel Brakes, and by Lund. Get the look.